Alright, I'm using this 1646 Leishi on this bag o mailbox locks that I have. I made a key profile for my xhorse from scratch using my phone. So we picked it and let's get the numbers off of it and then I'll try to make a key. Well, I was able to pick all these locks here and use my my spacing, but I'm not happy with the way that it cuts the shoulder. There's a cut key right there compared to an uncut key. See, my machine likes to cut that shoulder off and I don't know how to stop it. So I gotta work on that. But either way, cuts the key works. Great.